What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be answering one of our #1 most asked questions: how to press a DTF transfer on a tote bag. So Ryan, as you know, our DTF transfers can press on virtually anything.
Pretty much.
And that includes the tote bag here. So you'll see here, I actually have it with the handles kind of hanging off here. The reason we do that is just so we get that even pressure across the whole design. If you put it under, or if you put the handles on there a little bit, you'll see it's kind of raised up a little bit. And that's no bueno. We don't want that. We want even pressure across the whole design. So that's a nice little hack to get around, you know, using like a heat press pillow or anything to raise that surface. You can just hang them off there and you're good to go. And as always, you know, keep it centered and same time and temp. You know, we got 340 right here for 15 seconds because we have our silicone upper planet cover here. You want to do the honor?
I would love to.
All right, let's go for it.
And you know, Brian, like you said, any kind of tote bag. We have this one here, nice powder blue. We have another kind of canvas tote. These here, you do want to kind of use one of these heat press pillows to kind of create that separation with a little bulkier material. It's super helpful.
Duffels. Oh,
little nylon,
yeah, duffel bag.
It'll work on that too.
Yeah, and even something like this, with this nylon material.
Yeah.
As you know, if you've watched any of our content, follow us on social media, you'll know. They work on anything.
Work on anything. Maybe drop the temp or something like this, a little more sensitive to the heat.
All right, let's see what we're cooking with, Ryan.
Absolutely.
Do the honors.
I'd love to. Over here, dude. Oh, nice, smooth peel. Oh my goodness, look
Fantastic.
at that. And of course, Brian,
We gotta do the second press.
hit it with the second press. Lock that joint in.
Nice matte finish. Take on the texture of the tote bag there. Same time and temp as the first press, as always. It's gonna really lock it in. You're gonna have a tote bag forever.
Look at that.
Just be careful, Ryan. It's hot. It's hot now.
Of course it is hot off the presses, dude.
It's hot off the presses.
Look at that.
Show the people.
Look at that. You like that? I know I do.
I love it. I love it. So yeah, guys, it's the same exact process. That really is all it is.
It's all about just making sure you have even heat and pressure. When it's something flat and easy like this, just have it hang off the sides. If you got something a little bulkier, you know, go ahead, grab a heat press pillow, slide it underneath, something along those lines, lift that area up, and just get to pressing, but you're good to go.
Absolutely. And if there are any other questions you guys have for us, leave them down in the comments, like and subscribe, send to a friend, you know? If someone asks you if you can press on a tote bag, just send them this video.
Yeah.
And we'll talk to you next time.